So in this session, we will discuss about how to handle multiple data sets while coming from MySQL in Node.js. Okay, so first of all, multiple data sets means if a store procedure return a single data set or result set, okay, one data set or one result set, so we call it as single data set. Okay, at that time we can easily handle that one. If a store procedure returns multiple data sets, that means more than one data set, so at that time how to handle that data sets. Okay, so I will take one requirement to explain about this example. So first one is, here requirement is we have two tables, where it is employee table and department table. Okay, so two tables. So if I keep these two queries in a single store procedure, then it will return two data sets. Okay, so I want to have all these column names, like this. Okay, so from the API I want to return all these column names. Okay, so from the MySQL database I will get the data sets like this. In first data set I will have employee details, in second data sets I will have department details. Okay, so to achieve this functionality we can have one store procedure. Within that store procedure we can write join condition, then it is completed. Okay, but here our functionality is to handle multiple data sets. So how can you return this kind of result set? Okay, I am explaining that thing. So get underscore multiple data sets. Okay, so I am not giving any parameters, and you just write this queries execute it and take this procedure name and call this procedure. So it is returning multiple data sets. Okay, now go to the Node API. And here in this controller I am going to write new API for this. Multiple data sets. And dot message, so put here any, and here I am not considering any request parameters, so I am not taking any request parameters, so directly go for call statement. So there are no parameters, then here dbpool dot query call sp and err comma result. If error comes, then just otherwise else block means result will come. So here res dot send status and 200 message access and data. This is the keyword name. Here we have to return output. So let emp result equal to result of 0. So localhost 3000 slash and put debug, then only we come to know so where that two result sets will be stored. Okay, then we can write the logic. And observe this. Here result of 0 we have first data set, and result of 1 we have second data set, department details. Okay, so result of 0 and result of 1. So you can write the logic now. Let dept result equal to result of 1. Okay, so if we take params, then we have to take result of params dot length. Okay, plus 1 and plus 2. Okay, so here no need to add plus 1, here we have to add plus 1. Okay, I will show that one also. So here I am going to return result mp data and dept data. So dept result See this employee data, department data. Okay, it is getting. Now we have to write the logic to achieve, where it is, yeah, to achieve this type of functionality. Employee name, employee details first, after that department details. Okay, that means here if particular department number 30, we have to return account name is dname and location is New York, like that. If department number 30 is there, then we have to return department name sales and location is Chicago, like that we have to return. So simple. Here write the for loop, let I equal to 0 and I less than emp result dot length and I plus plus. Okay. So what I am doing is I am iterating first data set. Okay, and for each iteration, suppose this is first iteration, for each iteration I am going to the second data set and passing with department number 10 and getting the name and location and bind the first data set only. Okay, so first of all I'm going to use filter condition here. So dept result dot filter. For this second data set, I am passing department number x dot dept number equal to, okay. So how can I pass the department number? emp result of 0 dot not 0 I dot department number, okay, so that I can get the department number 10 record, okay, and that will be stored in one array that is called response. Okay, so you can check up to this, then you can easily understand what I am writing. This, so 14 iterations are there. That means for first iteration I am getting department number 10, that is stored in array only. Okay, so, and second also only one object, that object will be stored in array. Okay, so not more than one object I am not getting. Okay, so here, but I want to get only the name and location. Okay, so here if you put 0, then what will happen? Just observe the result. Then in this response variable I will get only object. See this, all the objects. Earlier all the arrays, result will be stored in arrays. Whenever I put in square brackets 0, that means it is going to return first object in the response. Okay, so at that time it is returning only object. Now response will have object which will have department number, dname and location. Okay, so now I am going to assign employee result of I dot dname equal to response dot dname. So this line will do the functionality like in the employee result, emp result, it will create one more key like dname, and whatever the dname is available in response object, that dname value will be moved to dname in the emp result. Okay, and emp result of I dot location equal to response dot location. Okay, so this statement, what it will do means, so it will take, first of all, it will take location from the response object for the particular iteration. Okay, so it will take location from the response object. So this is, and it will create one key in the EMP result for the I iteration, and the value in the response object for the location key that will be moved to location in the EMP result. Okay, so simply I am going to return, already it was there, so I'm going to return EMP result. Okay, see this EMP number, ename, job, at the last dname location is appended. For department number 10, what will be the dname? Accounting, and location New York. Okay, and you can go through the second 30 sales Chicago, 30 sales Chicago, and 20, yeah, 20 research Dallas, 20 research Dallas. Okay, so actually this type of functionality will be done in backend side by using joins, like see this. So you can write select star from employee E inner join and department B on E dot department number equal to D dot department number. Okay. This and here just comment it. I don't want here, if you execute this now, department number will come for twice, I think. Yeah, it is not coming for twice. Okay, see the same type of result. Okay, but my intention is, if multiple data sets comes from the MySQL procedure, how to handle that situation. Okay, that's why I'm taking two different data sets in MySQL store procedure, and just I have written the join, I have written the logic like what we have did in MySQL store procedure by using joins. Okay, so same type of logic I have implemented in Node API. Okay, and one more thing, if you send parameters, see, if you send parameters, then how do you write the logic for multiple data sets? So params, but I am not passing that parameters to the store procedure. Sorry, I am not using that parameters in the store procedure, just I am passing request dot body and params body dot dept number, and here set @p underscore dept number, iterate p underscore b equity number. And here if result dot length greater than params dot length, then here params dot length and params dot length plus 1, that will be second data set, and execute it. See this, so same type of output I am getting. Okay, so if you do the debugging, see this result. So in the first data set, see earlier if we didn't have sent any parameters, then the first data set will be stored in 0th position. Now the first data set, it is stored in first position, and the second data set, it is stored in second position. Okay, so like that. If you have 3-4 data sets, then first data set will be stored in result of params dot length. Second data set params dot length plus 1. Third data set params dot length plus 2, like that. Okay. So this is about how to handle the multiple data sets. See this, just we have written. So this is the procedure steps for handling multiple data sets. First, we have created one store procedure which will return multiple data sets and call the store procedure. So this is the store procedure, and call the store procedure in API. After that, store one data set in one variable. So like this. This is one variable which is used to store one data set. This is second another variable which is used to store another data set. Next one is write the logic according to the requirement. So this is the logic according to the requirement. Okay. Suppose if requirement is like you have to return that multiple data sets in with multiple key names, then you can just write like this. So put it comma comment. See, this is EMP data, and next one is department data. Okay. So this is about handling